Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Uniswap. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and properly set up on your device. This is the foundational step before you can interact with any decentralized application like Uniswap. Make sure your wallet is accessible and ready, as this connection process is straightforward once your wallet is prepared. Before connecting, confirm your MetaMask wallet is ready. If you haven't already, install the official browser extension. Then, either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember to keep this phrase extremely secure. Finally, ensure your wallet has some Ethereum, as this is needed to cover transaction fees on the network. Now, let's connect to Uniswap. Open your web browser and go to the official Uniswap website. Look for the Connect Wallet button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page, and click it. A list of compatible wallets will appear. Select MetaMask. Your MetaMask extension will then prompt you to approve the connection. Confirm this action to link your wallet. Once connected, your MetaMask wallet address should be visible on the Uniswap interface, indicating a successful link. You are now ready to begin swapping tokens. Before executing any trade, always double-check the transaction details, including the token amounts and estimated fees. For security, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet from Uniswap once your trading session is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.